everyone, welcome to V2V channel. First of all, thanks being here for my YouTube channel. See, so far already completed some quant and reasoning topics. So those information available at our channel playlist. So you can check it out our channel playlist. You can get the each and every information related for all the topics what we are already completed. See, in this session we are discussing about alternative days concept in a time and work. See, who are new to this video, first go and watch my previous videos related to the time and work. So we are completed 3 different concepts in a time and work. If you watch those videos, you can get the basic information to solve questions related for time and work concept. Okay, let's start our session. See, working in alternative days means, see, for example, there is a 2 persons, A and B. If starts with A and B can be work in every alternative days. It means, see, first day works A, second day works B, and third day works as A, and fourth day works as B. It means, see, first day, third day will be work as A, second day, fourth day works as B. Then see, every 2 days, the efficiency is always constant. Always constant. This is the first information. See, if they're working in alternative days means every 2 days the efficiency of those person is always constant. For example, A is works with B and C in every alternative day. For example, this is the information given. It means, see, A works with B and A works with C in every alternative day means first day working for A and B, second day working with A and C, and third day works for A and B, fourth day works for A and C. That is the meaning of this statement. Again, see that for every 2 days the efficiency is always constant. See, for here every 2 days the efficiency is A plus B. Here the efficiency for every 2 days is 2A plus B plus C. Okay, sometimes A is assisted B and C on every third day. For example, this is the statement. It means, see, first day works with A, second day works with A, third day works with A along with B and C. That is the meaning. And fourth day is A, fifth day is A, and sixth day along with B and C. It means every 3 days. So every 3 days the efficiency is constant. So every 3 days the efficiency is constant. The efficiency become 3A plus B plus C. So that is the important concept in a alternative days. See, observe that if it works as a alternative days, every 2 days is a efficiency constant. If A and B works with B and C along with alternative days means A plus B, A plus C. It means every 2 days the efficiency is 2A plus B plus C. If A assisted B and C for every third day means first 2 days A alone working and third day A along with B and C means the total efficiency is 3A plus B plus C. So these are the basic information for alternative days concept. A and B working separately can do the work in 9-12 days. A and B can do the work separately from 9-12 days. If they work on alternative days beginning with A means here we start with AB. Again same, every 2 days the efficiency is constant. In how many days the work will be completed? Then see 9 and 12. So see the total, first of all the total work is 36 units. Then see A done in 9 units means they performing 4 units per day. B done 12 units means they performing 3 units per day. Then see starts with A done 4 units per day. Second day B completed 3 units. Third day A by 4 units, B by 3 units means every 2 days they are completed 7 units. But see, here we need to completed 36 units. See, 7 not exactly cancel in 36. Then see, consider nearest multiple. Nearest multiple means 7 5s are 35. In the same way, 2 5s are 10. It means 10 days they are completed 35 units. But we need to complete it 36th. We know that 11th day. Why? Because A starts with first day means 11th day they performing with A. Means after end of a 10th day they are completed 35 units. But they have a 1 unit left in 11th day. So these 1 unit done by A in 1/4 of a day. Why? Because he completed 4 units per day. But we have only 1 unit means the time is 1/4 of time. Then see the entire work is completed in 10 1/4 days. So answer is a 10 1/4 days. Okay, see the third question. A can do the work in 30 days, B can do the work in 50 days, C can do the work in 40 days. Then see, the total number of units is 600 units of work. So A done 20 units per day, B done 12 units per day, C done 15 units per day. Then next information, if A is assisted by B on one day, C on next alternative day, means AB first day is working, next AC is next day, and the third day AB, fourth day AC. Means every 2 days the work is constant. Then see, first day done by A and B, first day done by A and B, they completed 32 units. AC done by 35 units. Then see, so for 2 days, see, they 2 days they are completed 67 units. Then see, if they completed 67 units, we want 67 become a 600. These number I should multiple with 8 times. If these number I should multiple with 8 times, so 16 days they are completed. 8 7 are 56, 5 here, 8 6 are 48 plus 3, 48 plus 3 is a 536. Then see, so out of 536 they are completed in 16 days. Then see, 17th day, so 17th day performing A and B together, A and B together they completed 32 units. If you completed 32 units means they are completed 568 units. Then see, we left with a 32 units, but AC can done in 35 days. So 35 days means these work is completed in less than a day. So less than a day means the value become 32 by 35. It means the whole work is completed in alternatively is 1732 by 35 days. So answer is 1732 by 35 days. Okay, see the fourth question. ABC can do the work. ABC can do the work in 33 days, 18 days, 55 days. See, first of all, the total work is 990 units. Then A performing 30 units per day, B performing 55 units per day, C performing 18 units per day. Then see, if A assisted B and C on every alternative days means first day work with A and B, next day work with A and C. Then how many days the work is completed? That is my question. Then see, A plus B performing 85 units per day and A plus C they performing 40 units per day. It means see, every 2 days they are completed 133 units. They are completed 133 units. But we need to complete 990 units means 990 units. See, 133 is not exactly divisible by 990. Then see, if these number I should multiple with a 7. So if you multiply these number with 7, 7 3s are 21, 2 here, 7 3s are 21, 23, 2 here. So we are completed 931 units in 14 days. But see, we need to complete 990 units. See, if you want to complete 990 units, so we need to complete 59 units extra. Then see, then 15th day, see, if working in alternative days means 15th day performing A and B together. We know that A and B can complete 85 units per day. But we need to complete only 59 units means the work is completed less than 1 day. Less than 1 day means the value become 5980 by 85. Then see, the whole work is completed 1459 by 85 days. So these are the questions related for alternative days concept. Thank you.